Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Facebook Shops to boost your online sales. So first of all, go to Facebook Business Manager. You're gonna type right here, Facebook Business Manager, right? And then create a shop and add your products with the detailed descriptions, prices, and high quality images. And then design your shop to reflect on your brand, organize products into collections and highlight bestsellers. And then set up Facebook or Instagram checkout so customers can purchase directly from your shop without leaving the platform. And then share your products through posts, stories, and ads. Use compelling visuals in CTAs to drive traffic to your shop. Respond to comments, reviews, and messages promptly to build trust and encourage sales. And then track sales, views, and customer behavior through Facebook Insight. Adjust your inventory and promotions based on performance data, and then link your Facebook shop to Instagram for broader reach and shoppable posts, and then offer special discounts, flash sales, or exclusive deals to incentivize purchases and boost sales. And these strategies can help you leverage Facebook shops to increase your online sales effectively. So let me know in the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.